We're good. 12 action.
Alright.
10 on the line. 2 any crap.
Let's get it.
Come out, roll.
Now, me personally, I do different shots for different reasons. I mean, different sets for different reasons. So this set right here is my flag set. This is what I use usually for the come out.
And you see how it worked for him. For a tray.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to snatch up his 2 any. And we're going to pay him for the pass line. There you go.
2 any return.
Now me, for like the past 10 years, I always do my 4-3 on top because I'm aiming for a 7. I think my record is like 6 7s in a row.
Yeah.
And what I'm basically doing that for is to get money for my inside box numbers. I'm only trying to hit 7s and 11s on the come out, so I don't got to come off my own rack for my inside numbers for when I go across. Hard 4. Your 2 and you get snatched up. 24 action for your 6-8.
Yes, sir.
$10 field.
$10 field.
You want eyes
Pop
for
the 5s.
Yep. So now if he roll a 5, they're gonna snatch his 10, but pay him 16.
Odds on my line bet.
There you go. 5 odds, pay 15.
Hard 4.
That'll be a nice hit. 35, 45, 55, 65. It's a $7 hit. If you roll this deuce.
You mean win?
Five.
I just knew that was the 4th, the 2 deuce though. I ain't gonna hold you.
They snatch his $10 field bet, but they pay him 16 for the 5's hop. And his 5's hop's gonna stay up there.
Nah, actually bring my 5's hop down.
And we're gonna place the 5.
We're gonna place it.
There you go. Now you got 34 inside. $10 field return.
Yeah. It's very important to know your bets, know your systems, so you can keep track of your bets, keep track of what you're doing.
Nina. Now, of course, you're
going
to place the 9 with that field payout.
Yeah.
Cool.
You already know, brother.
You want your 9, your field bet back?
Nah, stay up.
Got you. Now you got 44 inside. Everything with the 10.
They all coming. I try to stay patient, you know what I mean? It's like you want certain numbers to come, but the main part is you want to just make sure you're fluent. What I need is going to come eventually. $8.
That pays 14. I'm just going to add $3. I'm sorry, $4 to your field bet. It's coming right back?
No, what I need you to do is place my
10.
Yeah.
Okay, looking like 64 across. I'm sorry, 54 across.
This is 5. And
Boost your odds up.
Nope. Actually, field bet.
That 4 would be sweet. Hard 4 would be sweet. Maybe $100 hit. $35, $45, $55, $65, $75, $85, $95 hit.
It's coming, beloved.
Deuce, deuce. Damn, I'm gonna motherfucking two soon to come bad as shit. Stop being a
4-1 for the poor one.
Stop being a farmer, bro. You just snatched your field up and just made $4. There you go, bro.
Alright, so look. Now we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Can you place my 4 for 10?
Your point is 4.
Oh, my point is 4.
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't even been paying attention. Alright, so here we go.
You wanna boost your 6-8 up to 18 each?
Nah, 4 horn.
Got you. You writing your numbers down?
I really wasn't.
Damn, I think that's like your fourth row. I paid you like 4 times.
$8.
5 tray. Now you got a whole $14 profit.
Yeah.
There you go, beloved.
They snatching this up though.
Yeah.
But just tap it because I'm bringing it back. So there
Gotcha.
you go. $10 profit.
Mm-hmm. You shooting off the hard 6 set or the V?
The hard ways, 3s at the top.
That's to avoid the 7s at all time.
Yes, indeed.
That's the whole point of us doing that. Is to avoid the 7. Oh, another thing is because they bring hard ways. 3-3. Damn.
Almost. Y'all see what it is? 6-3. It definitely was almost right there.
Coming
though.
back?
Yeah, that's coming back.
Alright, I owe you $10. There you go. And the way he's shooting and the way he betting is the same exact way he would be shooting and betting in a live casino. It'd be a lot of dudes, bro, that be really pump faking and betting like 500 a number, 1,000 a number. But in real life, they doing nothing bigger than a 162 across. Maybe even minimum across.
We both know that.
Nina, that's 2 in a row. You doing something right.
We both know that. But see, we ain't about faking over here. That's why
Return?
I said, yeah, return.
$10.
That's why I said everything is real time over here. You know what I'm saying? Everything is real time.
The 6 was on the left, the 3 was on the right. 2 times in a row. It's not like the 3 was on the right and the 6 was on the left. Both times it was 6-3 left, right. Let's get 3 in a row. So they know that you're really doing the same exact thing each time. 6-3, 3-6 one time. If the motherfucking 3 came back in that 6 ball,
it would have just rolled a little extra, but I take the yo.
Now we finally got paid for your yo.
Right. I take that yo.
15 minus 4 and 11. There you go, my man.
Appreciate it.
I wanted that 3 to come back in that 6. Like, damn, the ball, he rolled 3,
That's
yeah.
coming. But see, that all of that come from practice, and like I said, you know what I'm saying? At this present moment in time, I got so much going on in real life, you know what I mean? I don't put in as much as I should.
Like, if you would have rolled 6-3 3 times in a row, it's not a coincidence that you did that. There's no luck behind that. It's the time that you take out today to practice on a regular basis. That's why you rolled 6 3s in a row. Patiently waiting for that hard 4. $8. Keeping your horn up.
Yeah.
$10 profit.
Thank you, sir.
Tell them why we're using 2 different dice. Because there'll be a lot of people that be making videos with the same exact color dice. And if you want to practice, it's not good to have the same color dice.
Well, we use the different color dice so that we can clearly see for ourselves what the right dice doing and the left dice is doing.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a more understanding of what is happening in my shot. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Better to correct my shot. I know how to tweak my hand, tweak my release. You know,
Mm-hmm.
all
and
of
by
that.
having the same color dice, you won't be able to do any of that.
No, you wouldn't.
I don't know. I'm really feeling a hard 6, hard 10 right now. And I know how my man shoots, so don't be surprised if the 3-3-5-5 come. Because he ain't roll a 10 yet. And if you're going to roll it, you're going to roll a hard way before you roll a 6-4. 3-3-5-5. Damn, I wanted that 3 to come back at that 5.
We'll take that 8 though. That's literally what, my third 8 in a row? No, it was 9 then 8-8. It's the second
There
one.
you go, $10 profit.
Thank you, sir.
Frontline want to take the don't pay the line.
Hey, man.
Here we go, my man.
Appreciate you.
Flat pay 10, that's 20. Odds pay 10. What we got here? Here we go. Even for the flat. 10 odds for the back. $35 altogether.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, give me 10 back for the line.
Got you, sir. Hey,
Give me,
sorry, sir.
Give me some of them nickels. I'm gonna give you quarters. Give me 50 in red. So I can start paying you out.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Got you.
And then, mind you, this is just profit. Like,
$100 buy-in.
you know what I'm saying? And you know, the rest of my buy-in. All right, hold on. Can you come over here real quick so they can see something real quick? Because I'm real kind of slick with it. All right, so the rest of my buy-in, that original $100 has been in my hand right here.
Mm-hmm.
I've been gathering my profits over here.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Not
And
including
then
what we got out there.
what I got
54
out there,
across.
right? You know what I mean?
So if you add that 50 with this, you up $4 plus this.
Right.
50. You probably up over $100 already.
It's 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 4, 6, $96.
Plus your
Plus what I got on the
yeah.
table.
The
So
your 4 for your 6-8 juice, yeah.
so,
$100 profit that quick.
right. All right, so we back at it.
$2 any crap return.
That gets swept up. The hard 4 gets swept up as well because it came soft.
Got you.
Yeah, man, we gotta keep it official. Nah, that's day bread. That's day bread. You can't
Oh,
put
yeah,
day
yeah,
bread
yeah,
up
yeah,
for my
yeah.
2 in the
Yeah,
here,
I
bro.
got you. That's the money for the horn.
Right.
Got you.
All right,
Alright.
take the shit up. You're right. There you go. All right, we on the come out again.
Yep.
Going back to my American flag set.
You see, last time I worked for him, we caught that 4-3 in the come out. Fever, baby. 4 holes in the pimp.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, snatch up this $2 any crap. Come on. You ain't gotta make no adjustments.
Nah,
take that
just
5
take
to the
my
4.
5 to the 4, yeah, right.
There you go.
You gotta
Mark
put,
that 5
yeah,
up. $6 odds for the back, $10
$5,
odds.
yeah, $6. My bad.
Gotta be increments of even.
Yep. That's important that we put that in the video too, cause like you were saying earlier, these other dudes they not.
Oh yeah.
They not telling you the truth. Of
Give
like
me a
what the
$5
bets
odds
should
for
be
a
and all
5.
that.
You can't go to no casino